Okay, welcome back to Animal Hunter Show. I'm Jason Perkins. We're on the green with a grassland monster. These are more dangerous than the woodland monster. I'm going to try and get a bit closer. That wasn't good. Tripped. Oh, what the? Okay, it's gone. It is gone. It's completely, utterly gone. Right, this is bad because they see better, they hear better, they smell better, they're stronger, their armor's better, you know. I mean, I have the feeling it went this way because I can see tracks. I can see the tracks very well. I mean, you know, it's very scary, really. I mean, have you seen this thing? It's massive. I mean, you know, and also it's this near to civilization. I mean, this is why I've been called in. I've been called in to capture it, take it away, because it's this near civilization. It could, you know, endanger human life, which is the ultimate price, really. Ah! It's there! It's there! Wow, that was an excellent shot. Need to get it. I had to slow down there because they're blowing sharp. His arm's better than mine. Where's he gone? Where is he? Okay. Move, come on. Where is he? Could be anywhere. They're really fast runners because the natural wilds of Africa, they need to be really fast to catch their prey, and also to avoid some of the superior predators, I guess. Well, ah!